What's up, YouTube? What's going on, CCI family? It's your main man back with the game plan once again because, well, you already know. Look, 2026 is on its way in. 2025 on its way out. We have a line of new investors that would love to get started in the market. But what stops them? The main question, what is the stock market? A lot of people really do not know what it is. They think it's something just for corporate bigwigs or rich folks, ride around in their yachts. Well, it's not. But it's how you get there if that's the dream of yours. Okay? So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what the stock market is so you can get started on your own financial journey. Let's go. All right. So what is the stock market? Think of it like this. The stock market is a huge outlet mall, and I know we all know what an outlet mall is, right? Okay, so instead of selling goods and clothing, sneakers and leather jackets and so forth, people come here to buy and sell shares of companies, okay? And these shares are small pieces of ownership in a business. For example, if you buy one share of Apple, you own a slice of that business. You understand that part? Okay. Now these companies sell these shares in order to grow the business. Okay? Whether it's building new stores, launching new products, hiring more people, what have you. They use the money that you invest to do these things. In return, us, the investors, hope that the company succeeds, which most times it will, because that makes the shares that you purchased more valuable. So how does this make you money? Well, when those shares increase in value, you can choose whether to sell them for your profit or hold on to them longer to increase your profits if you see the company going further. Plain and simple. Okay, now some companies, what they do is they also offer dividends. I'm going to explain. A dividend is when the company does so well, whether in a quarter or however they set it up, that they actually give back to you, the investor. Okay, so in other words, if you own 100 shares, again, of Apple stock, this is just for an example, and Apple offers dividends of, say, $2 per share. Well, however they've set it up, whether it's monthly or quarterly, when that time comes, you get $2 per share sent back to you. Okay, and again, for the example, if you have 100 shares, they send back $2 per share, you get $200. Okay, and a lot of investors, they invest in dividend-only stocks so they can live off of the dividends. Those dividends add up. Okay, so some investors may make $5,000, $10,000 a month or per quarter just off of the dividends alone, which means you don't have to sell your stock, you don't have to touch it. It's just a present given back from the company. Now, where this all takes place, like I said, think of it like an outlet. Well, this outlet is the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Okay? Think of them as like the arena where all of these buyers and sellers come together and prices move up and down constantly all day based on supply, demand, or investor confidence. So as you see, the stock market is not just for Wall Street pros or the bigwigs, the multi-rich. No, it's for everyday people like you and me who are striving to get ahead and want more out of your money than what it allows you to buy. It's to actually fund your dreams, your future, your retirement, whatever you want it to do, it will do. All right, so now that we have the basics out the way, there's nothing really left to do except for to start your new brokerage. And I always suggest Robinhood to start your first beginning brokerage. Okay, but there's plenty options out there for you. Go through and find the right fit for you. All right, but I bet you that you'll find Robinhood is the best for you to start with. Okay, also, if you want any more information as to how the stock market began, where it began, when it began, or any information on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, the Dow, I'm going to put a link up here at the end of this video, and you can go ahead and click on that. It explains and breaks down it all for you there as well. All right. So this is the first part. All right. The next one is coming up very soon. I want to thank y'all for all joining me today. Thank you for your time. Wishing you a blessed and financially successful week ahead. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.